This is the one, you know, that'll be on the material list in the description, but it's like this goldish, brownish color belting piece. I don't have the triangle piece yet. It's a buffer too. And it comes around over here and loops over the triangle. And then this hooks on the triangle, and the triangle hooks onto the thing like that. So the stitches look like they're brown, so I'm gonna use brown thread. And I'm gonna use a straight stitch. And I'm just gonna stitch it like how it looks on the thing. Alright, so for the triangle ring part of this, so I got like the black chrome on the actual swivel hook, and then these are the ones that I found online. They look like they were, or black nickel, I don't know. You know, it has that look. They looked like that, but they weren't quite. So what I did was just took some black acrylic paint on a brush that doesn't really hold paint well, so just get like a dusting brush, or like this is a cosmetic brush that came in like a mixing bowl set, and then just dust over it so it looks closer to that than that. And you know, it doesn't have to be perfect because some parts are going to be covered with the strapping anyways, so yeah. And the best part about doing it super lightly like that is it dries super quick too, so it's essentially, it's already dry. So for this part that goes over the shoulder, I'm not really measuring it with measuring tape first, because it's, you know, so you just put it on that part that you just sewed right there, and, you know, position it in the way that it's positioned, and then you just pull it over, and I pinned it right there because it has like a little Xbox, a little box with an X in it for the seam for here, so I want to make it big enough of an overlap to do that detail. Then I just pulled it around my shoulder so that it goes around my shoulder and down my back like this, because that's what it looks like it does. And I don't know what I'm gonna do to attach this. until I figure out how I'm going to put this into the pants. Should have a piece that looks like this. So put it like this, the triangle right there, and pull this around. Making sure it's straight just so it doesn't get uncomfortable. Then you can hook it on right there. And then that part right there. And you can hook it onto wherever you're hooking it. There she is.